Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be part 3 of the Sew in 30 for Simplicity 8550. I have extra time in the day. Part 2 used to be wearing the same exact thing. I was recording earlier when I had 30 minutes, so I took advantage of that time, and now I have about an hour and a half. So I'm going to start back sewing. I will still continue to break the video up regardless of how much time I have. I'm still going to break them up in 30 minutes for you all. In the last video, we got to finish I got to finish my sleeve. I have the elastic installed. I did not slip stitch to open and close because I said I'll do all of my hand stitching at the end. So now I'm going to pick back up on step 26, and I'm going to pin the sleeve to the tunic. So that's what we're going to pick up at right now. I'm going to go ahead and show you my time. Well, let me get all my messages off. Still April 6th. It's 1:15 right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get my timer, 30 minutes. And now we're ready to go. The first step now is to pin the sleeves to the top. You all let me know down in the comments how you all feel about these angles. These videos are for you, so let me know if you would prefer the overhead view that I give you in my Sew With Me videos, or if you like this angle right here where you actually can see me working and sewing. So just let me know, and I'll do my best. I can't promise things, but I will do my best to accommodate you all. If enough people, you know, say that they like it a certain way, then I'll do my best. I only have 2 angles, so we'll see. Okay. They put extra words in the directions, like, let's just stitch. Did I cut out enough interfacing? How many interface? What? 1, 2, 3. Doesn't look right. What is this? I'm confused. I don't think I cut out enough interfacing. So this one goes here. These 2 come here, but what about this one? Oh, 9 is not interface. Oh. Okay. I was like, what? So it's not all the way back with the notch. It's just folding over like that. Yeah. You got it? Yeah. Okay. Okay. We shall see. Nope, 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 don't like it. That is not right.
No.
So is that the first fold? I don't like that. Ugh. Nope, 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 nope.
No.
Even still, it's not finished. Oh, that is right though. What? I'm confused. What? So I'm doing something wrong. So I have to figure out what I'm doing wrong. How much time do I have? 3 minutes. Right, and then once I do that, it'll sew all that in. I think I need to open one more. No, I can't open any more out. If I put it on top of that, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fold this in, but I'm gonna put the facing on top of it. So when it sews and it flips over, let me do that real quick. Okay, so now I sewed the facing on top of that, the front that I folded in along the fold line, the interfacing side. I put it on top of it instead of underneath it, so let me see what it looks like now. Okay, I think this is better because it encases the raw edge of my facing. And I think toward the end, on step 47, you have to stitch all this down anyway. So then it'll stitch in that raw edge from the facing that was out when I had this done the other way. So this is how I'm going to do mine. I don't know if it's right, but it looks great to me. I like it. And then it encases my raw edge. So I'm going to go ahead and fix this other side and then do the understitching. And then that'll be step 9. I have 1 minute left, so let's just go anyway. All right, so that was step 38, and step 39 would be the understitching. So I'm gonna do that next, but I just want you to see that, I mean, this is how I would prefer it to be. I would prefer the raw edge of the facing to be in, that's my timer, it's now 1:45, that's all 30 minutes. So we are done. Okay, so let's recap everything we were able to do. We put the sleeves in, attached the sleeves, finished the edges, interfaced and sewed the facing pieces together, and then we sewed the facing to the top. So those steps in total were step 26, 36, 37, and 38. So that was 4 steps. I didn't make it to the understitching, but that's okay. We'll just pick right back up with that in our next video. But so far, everything is coming together good. As you can see, I ran across a step and I was like, wait, this is not looking right. I don't know if I read it wrong or I don't know, but I would prefer this front flap here on step 38. It has this facing piece that you already folded and basted down. When you fold it in, it has it it has it on top of the facing. But when you flipped it in, you saw that my raw edge of my facing was out, and I didn't like that. So if I put my facing on top of that folded in part, then when I flip it out, then my facing is inside of the flap. And then later on down in step 47, we're gonna just top stitch that down anyway. So then the facing will be enclosed in that, it's kind of where your buttons and buttonholes will be. So I like that a lot better. So yeah, just wanted you all to see that sometimes we're all going to run across steps where we're like, what? We have to read it again, have to try to figure it out. But just keep going. Don't just give up on your project. So thank y'all so much for joining me. This is our third 30-minute segment video for Simplicity 8550. We're sewing view C, and it's coming together nicely. I'm going to pick right back up because I still have a few more minutes before my boys come home from school. So I'm going to use maybe 30 more minutes. We'll see. I may even have like an hour. They don't get home till 3. So I have a little bit of time. Even though I'm trying to complete this top today, I'm still going to sew it in 30 minutes so you all can see just how much I can get done. The first video I got through 6 steps, and I think the second one and this one only made it through 4, but that's okay. 4 is still better than none. So you all stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you all then. Blessings, everyone. Bye.